Hello and welcome to E-Prime. Damien Jr. Gong Marley has documented his musical journey. Damien's Stony Hill to Addis documentary is out and now available on YouTube after being previously released exclusively on Tidal. The documentary shares with fans Jr. Gong's first ever tour of Africa. South Africa, Kenya, Reunion Island and Ethiopia are some of the stops made by Damien, who shares the importance of touring throughout the continent. The Stony Hill to Addis documentary shows images of Marley visiting the Bob Marley statue in Addis Ababa, which was unveiled in 2015. More donations needed. Reggae singer and percussionist Denver Faluke Smith will be heading to Mexico for the second phase of his cancer treatment. The artist leaves the island as early as this weekend. A concert was staged recently at the Carl Hendrickson Auditorium to assist Faluke's hefty medical bill. The initiative raised a total of 1.2 million Jamaican dollars, less than a quarter of what is required for the surgery. His GoFundMe campaign, with a goal of $40,000 peaked at only $4,615. The cost of the surgery is in excess of $25,000, with an additional estimated figure of $15,000 for miscellaneous expenses. Pledges are still being made and collected. Go out, support. Lawmen are clamping down on the use of expletives. The police have issued yet another warning to entertainers and selectors who continue to use the profanity or obscene language during their performances. According to SSP Steve McGregor, changes are set to be made to the Towns and Communities Act. The changes will enable law enforcement to clamp down on the use of expletives at public gatherings, and as such, stiffer penalties are on the horizon to deter offenders. Watch your mouth. Dancehall veteran entertainer Merciless is back on the local scene. He fills us in on his musical status.
Medea! Check this out. This is the Warren Dan, aka Merciless. The girls them love me more and curse me less. Right here on E-Prime.
He's been away from the music industry for some time, and so the Letter to Mama artist fills us in on his hiatus.
Well, I took the hiatus because I got kids overseas, so I was over there for a while, but still doing my music, touring all around, and things happened and I came back. But it's not that while I've been back, I've stopped working, because when I came there was like children being kidnapped and being missing, and I done the song with IKEA called Amber Alert. Then I did the letter. And from then I've been just working Caribbean islands all over, shows in Jamaica here and there. Partially I've been to jail for being the victim of a crime. But I did my time and I didn't give them no trouble, and I just take a free pass and say, all right, home is where I need to be. Because I know we're not better than you, and this is the great Leonard.
Merciless is preparing for the release of his new album and shares the details.
I'm also working on a brand new project, a brand new Merciless album, which be like 13, 14 tracks, you know? Like I said, I've been recording for a lot of different producers.
And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Deidre. Thank you for watching.